Hi everyone, this is week 10 of Exploring Literature. I want to share this video on social media, so I will not be using any of your names in this. But the reason why I'm doing that is because suddenly everybody in America finds all of their children at home unexpectedly. And sports programs, art programs, museum programs, music programs are all canceled. So parents are left with, oh, well, we need activities. So I figure this might be something fun if you are into The Hobbit. And so I want to focus on fun this week. I feel like there's just so much stress out there, so much tension. Let's just cut it and have fun with your family. And that is my point for this entire week of these assignments, okay? Now for everybody just tuning in, my class is in the first part of The Hobbit. I believe they will read up to chapter 11 this week, and we've been having a great old time with it. So if you are a sci-fi fanatic, this may be a video for you to introduce some fun activities for your kids. So I also want to put out for my class, this is for you to do. Not your mom, not your dad. These are all activities for you to plan for your family, okay? I do not want you going to the store to buy things for this. I want you to use only things that you have on hand at home, okay? Go outside in your yard and do these things. Stay inside, please, but just do this with your family. This is together time, and it's bringing in everything you've already been thinking about with The Hobbit, okay? So you're going to have a choice of activities, and you can do more than one. Okay, so the first choice is to cook a Hobbit meal for your family. Now remember, this is important. Use only what you have on hand and don't be wasteful. Okay, right? A Hobbit wouldn't want to be wasteful. So, you know, tea, cake, things like this. Second lunch, second breakfast, I don't know. But do something exciting for your family. Cook them a Hobbit meal. Now, as I said, this is your Hobbit meal. This is your Hobbit meal to plan, to cook, and to clean up, okay? Do not rely on your mom and dad to clean up after you. You must clean up after yourself. Give your mom and dad a break. Seriously. Do this for them. Do this for your siblings, okay? The other choice you have is to set up a journey for your siblings. And so it could be sort of like an obstacle course, you know, something like that outside. Get your brothers and sisters outside in your yard and set up an obstacle course that is sort of like the journey that is being taken by Baggins. You know, come upon fantastical creatures. What would that look like? How can you make that happen for them? Do something just outside of this world to just kind of cut down on the tension, really just entertain them, okay? Again, this does not fall on your parents. You have to find all the supplies yourself. The third choice is to come up with a Hobbit song. Write the lyrics. Now, as we learned before, how these are set up, they're quatrains, okay? And you are going to teach it to your brothers and sisters or family, and you're going to perform it together, okay? Maybe even you could make your own musical instruments using things that you have around the house. If you have another idea, post it in the discussion board in the classroom. Otherwise, pick one of mine and go to town. What I want you to do is come back into the discussion board and tell us what you did and how it went. Were there any challenges? Were your brother and sisters into it? Were they not? Like, I want to know. I want to know how it went. Was it a disaster? I want to know why. Was it a complete success? Please share that with us, okay? All right, so yeah, keep reading. I do not have the worksheets or the questions to be emailed this week because I just want you to kind of bring the fun. Okay, that's what I want you to concentrate on. So there is a discussion board about the chapters that you're going to be reading, and then there will be a discussion board about this assignment. Okay, thank you.